In this video, I will tell you how to fix connection failed error on FiveM. We will be covering a few methods, and for the first method, you will need to close FiveM and go to the FiveM folder. To do that, you will need to press the search button on the bottom left of your screen, write run there and open up the application at the top, or just press Windows key plus R. And in the run prompt in the bottom left, you should write app data and press the enter button. Then you go into the local folder at the top. Then you scroll down and find FiveM. This is the default installation location, but if you choose a custom installation when setting up FiveM, you can just go to the shortcut of FiveM that you have, right click it, then press properties and look at this right here, the target, and that's where you have this folder located. Now you open up the FiveM application at the top, you find first off the data folder, then you go into cache, server cache and server cache priv. You select all of the files in each folder, you press right click and you press delete. You repeat that for all three folders. Select, right click, delete. Select, right click, delete. And after you have done that, you can go back to the FiveM application data folder. Let's go back. And now after you are back, you go into the logs and you can delete all of the logs. After you have done all of this, you can launch FiveM once again and try and see if it works. For the second method, you can try adding FiveM to the list of allowed apps on your firewall. Your firewall might be blocking FiveM's connection to the server. To fix that, you can go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, and in there write Firewall. Then open up the application at the top, and after you have opened up this application, then press this option right here, Allow an app through Firewall. Select that. Now, after you have gotten inside of here, you press the Change Settings option at the top. Then you can scroll down and look for FiveM. If you can't find FiveM in the list of allowed apps and features, you can just press Allow another app, then press the Browse button and locate your shortcut of FiveM. For me, it's on my desktop. Let's find it, and here it is. I just double left click and press Open. Then I press the Add button right here, and make sure that you have checked both private and public, and after you have done that, you just press OK. Now after you have done that, you can try and run FiveM once again and see if it works. If it still doesn't, we have one last resort that you can go to, and that is the reinstalling of FiveM. First off, you can go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, and in there write Add or Remove. Then you select the application at the top. When you get in here, you write FiveM, then you select the application, and then you press the uninstall button and press uninstall once again. Then after you have done that, you can just go back to the FiveM website, re-download the FiveM application and install it once again. The installation should be pretty simple. After you download the installer, just open it up and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.